Hello friends, let us discuss the effects of Sun in the 11th house in Aries ascendant or Mesh Lagna as we call it. As you can see on my side, this is an Aries ascendant horoscope where number 1, the sign of Aries is placed in the Lagna or the first house. Sun is the lord of the 5th house where number 5, the sign of Leo is placed, and Sun is placed in the 11th house where the sign 11 Aquarius is written. Saturn is the lord of Aquarius. Before I begin, I would like to remind all those who look for upays and remedies that upays and remedies will be given at the end of this video. So if you want to know about them, please watch the video till the end. Second thing is that any planet which is placed in any house can also give the effect of the houses which are immediately ahead or behind of that planet. That means, like in this case, Sun is placed in the 11th house, but Sun can also give the effect of the 12th house and the 10th house. So please understand the effects very carefully when you analyze a horoscope. Now, to understand the effects of Sun here, we must know about Sun mainly two things, that Sun represents the government and Sun represents our father. The 11th house is supposed to be a very good house. It is the house of our gains and of our profits and our wish fulfillments. Sun being a trine lord here, the lord of the 5th house, which is a trine house, is considered very auspicious. And this auspicious lord has now moved into the house of profits and gains. This becomes a very good combination for the horoscope. However, there is a slight drawback here in that Sun is right opposite its own sign Leo. And in this case, Sun becomes detrimental. So there may be a little bit of reduction in the effects. The 11th house also represents our elder brothers and sisters, our friends, are working for any welfare organizations. In physical parts, the 11th house represents our lower parts of the legs, below the knees up to the ankles and the left ear. With Sun in the 11th house, the person will get all gains, all profits that he wants. The 11th house being the house of wish fulfillment, all his wishes will come true. Whether a person wants money, property, job, promotion, marriage, a child, whatever a person wants, for that a connection to the 11th house is necessary. And Sun in 11th house here gives a promise of giving a person all these things. The 5th house represents our investments. So investments done during this period will be profitable for the person. The 5th house represents our children, our first child or first pregnancy. So in case this is connected to the 2nd house also, in that case, in that dasha antardasha or period when the Sun is active, at that time, the person will gain a first child. However, there is a little drawback here because Sun is a hot planet and the sign Leo itself is a barren sign, and from the 11th house, Sun is aspecting the 5th house or putting its heat on the 5th house, and therefore there may be issues during the first pregnancy or there may be problems in the first childbirth for the person. The 5th house represents our recreations, our going out, enjoying ourselves, our intelligence. Sun in this position will enable the person to go on all recreational activities. If the person wants to enjoy music, art and creative things, or even if the person does a business concerning these things, they are likely to give him profit. The 5th house also represents love affairs. So during this period, the person's love affair is likely to succeed. The 11th house is the 12th house from the 12th, which is the house of hospitalization, and 5th house is the 12th house from the house of diseases, and therefore the 5th and 11th house combined together give a recovery from diseases. If a person is hospitalized during this period when Sun is active, when the 5th and 11th Lord are active, the person will come out of the hospital. The 5th house also represents our children, and 11th house is 7th to the house of children, and so during this period the first child of the person is likely to get married or may get into a partnership business. The person himself will start working for welfare organizations, NGOs, NPOs. He will gain a lot of friends during this period, and Sun being a representative of the government, the person will gain from government. If in job, he will gain from his bosses. He may get his promotion during this period, and if in business, then the person will gain from government contracts. Sun also represents the father, and from the 9th house, which is the house of father, Sun is placed in the 3rd house and is the lord of the 9th house. 3rd and 9th together, they represent travels. So during this period, the person's father is likely to undertake travels. He is likely to enter into contracts and agreements. These can be regarding buying or selling of a property or a vehicle. This placement also indicates some changes in the life of person's father. The person's father may have some changes in job, or he may move away or buy or sell his house or his vehicle, and in case this is connected to the 8th house, then the father may also go abroad. For the elder brothers and sisters, this placement shows that during this period, the elder brother and sister may get married or may get into some kind of partnership business. Regarding upayas and remedies, Sun is in a very good placement here. And also Sun is the lord of a very good house, which is a trine house. So in effect, there is not really much upaya or remedy that is needed in this case. However, to improve the results of Sun, because Sun is in Saturn's sign, we must avoid eating non-veg and drinking liquor. In that case, Sun will give even better effects. And to improve the results even further, we should pray to the Lord Sun, and in the morning we should get up and do Surya Namaskar if possible. This is important because Sun here is giving us all kind of wish fulfillment and profits, and doing these will increase our profits, gains and wish fulfillment even more. That's all. Thank you.